Hey there, Barbie Figueroa here. And if you're looking for a done-for-you digital product that you can sell for $500 or more, this video is for you. Whether you're just getting started online or you're tired of spinning your wheels trying to create a product from scratch, this Black Friday, I'm giving you everything you need to launch a digital business this weekend. So let me guess, you've been dreaming of building a digital income stream, but creating the product, designing the funnel, writing all the copy and all the emails, all of it. It feels overwhelming and it takes so much time. And maybe you've bought courses before, but you've never finished them, or worse, you finished them and still didn't know where to get started. Does that sound familiar? Well, that's why I created the Digital Biz Starter Kit, and on Black Friday, it is at a crazy deal. So what I want you to do is go to Passive Biz in a Box, and you're going to click on the Black Friday specials. When you click on the Black Friday specials, you're going to see that there is the Digital Biz Starter Kit. Now, this is the star of the Black Friday show. You want to click over here, and you're going to see that you're going to get all of these resources for just $497 today only. But the value of these resources is $2,891. Now, inside of this package, you're going to get a full-fledged, done-for-you digital course that you can sell for $500. But that's not all. You're also going to get the reseller system, which means that you're not going to have to build the funnels. You're not going to have to write all the emails or even create the training portal or the design yourself. It's already 100% done for you so that you can sell this whenever you're ready. Now, these other two resources, they're not master resale rights. You can't resell them, but I threw them in there for you because I know that as you get started with your digital business, you're going to want to learn how to create your own color branding kit so that as you start posting on social media, your graphics, your colors, all those things are congruent and they feel cohesive so that you feel like you're going out there like a pro, even though you don't have to pay for a designer. Color Branding for Beginners course will teach you how to create your color palette and apply it to different marketing assets like a YouTube banner or ebook cover. So you can have a complete digital business starter kit that saves you so much time, so much energy, and so much money because everything that you need to get off the ground running is contained in this package. And then I also threw in my resale to recurring because at the end of the day, you can sell as many products as you want. But if you're not building recurring income on the back end, then you just have a job. So in this mini course, I show you how to break down a solid business structure that will help you create cash flow on the front end of your business and effortlessly lead into recurring income without having to join an MLM or any of that stuff that requires building a team or any of that. You're going to leverage things like software as a service to create your recurring income. That way you can create a stable income that scales and grows over time. So let me show you really quickly what is inside the Done For You digital course. Now remember, for just $497 for that entire package, you are getting a course that you can sell for $500 at 100% profit without a middleman, no waiting on affiliate payouts, no having to rank or qualify, and everything is already done for you. Literally, bring your toothbrush and come set this up and you are ready to go. So what this is a beautifully designed training portal which you are going to receive through just one click. In one click, all you're going to have to do when you get into your members area is click on a link, and that link is going to import this entire thing into your System account. So you're obviously going to need a System account, and if you don't have one, don't worry. I teach you exactly how to sign up for one inside of the training portal. So this is what you're going to get, but I want you to also visualize that this is what you are going to be able to sell. So you're going to be able to benefit as a student by going through the actual coursework, but you're also going to be able to resell it to your customers as well. So you're going to be able to put your photo here, you're going to put your name and signature here, and all of this is all ready to sell. So it's completely 100% done for you. Inside the welcome page of the training portal is the course curriculum. So it's already done for you. So when your customer comes in, they're going to see this beautiful curriculum that is already included inside of the welcome portal. And then because I want to make sure that you get your affiliate commissions, the next button they're going to click on is on the tech toolbox. And when you click on the tech toolbox, they're going to have to sign up for all the programs that they need in order to run this system. Now, obviously not everything, they don't have to sign up for everything, but like, for example, you're going to need a system account in order to house this system. And it's also a way for you to create a recurring commission every single month. So right over here, you're going to put your affiliate link. So as people get started with your system, once they come to the tech toolbox, they're going to sign up with your affiliate links. And all of that is already done for you. Now, this is the star of the show. Now, obviously, the course is absolutely amazing. So as you start selling the course, you can come back here and take the course. This is an earn while you learn opportunity. So you're going to come to the reseller system. And when you come to the reseller system, literally everything is already self-contained inside of the course itself. That means you're not going to have to train anybody to do anything. You're not going to have to tell anyone how they're going to have to set this up. Everything is self-contained and included inside of the course area. So the course itself and the reseller system are all included for just $500. Now, because it's Black Friday, you're going to get it for $497 plus those additional resources that I mentioned. So right over here is the Roadmap Reseller Checklist, and this is going to guide you and your customer on how to set up their reseller system. And you're going to get all the videos that teach you how to set up your system. I just had a client purchase a copy of this for themselves, and they were able to set up their system in 1 day. Now, I can't guarantee that you're going to set it up in 1 day because it depends on how dedicated you are and how tech savvy you are, but I literally show you how to do every single thing step by step by step. And guess what? Since the training is self-contained inside of this system, when you sell this to someone else, they're going to get the onboarding instructions as well. So you can rest assured that when you sell this to someone else, they're going to have everything they need in order to get started right as well. All the instructions are here. But that's not all, because you're also going to get a few bonuses. You're also going to get mock-up images and bonus images so that you can import them into your own Canva account. And if you want to change the colors of any of this, well, guess what? Color Branding for Beginners is going to show you how to create your own color palette. So if you want to come in here and change the colors, then you absolutely can. So you'll learn how to do that in Color Branding for Beginners. So literally the bundle that I chose for you is going to give you everything you need to get off the ground with your own digital business quickly. And then, of course, you're going to get your Master Resale Rights Certificate that says that you are certified to resell this course. So let me go ahead and show you one more thing, because I think you're going to find this super duper cool. So right over here, you're going to get an import link to import this entire thing you're seeing right now with one click. So with one click, you're going to see this entire thing back inside your system account. No doing anything from scratch. You're also going to get the entire sales funnel. So with one click, you're going to be able to download the entire sales funnel. But that's not all. You're also going to get all the emails. You're going to get all the emails. So you're going to click over here and you're going to import all of the emails. It's all 100% done for you. All you have to do is tweak it with your information, with your name and your link, and that's it. All you have to do is set it up. And here is an actual ebook for you to collect leads. So I even created the ebook for you. So everything is self-contained and 100% done for you so that you have an asset you can sell inside of your business for $500. And you get to pick this up today for just $497. So this is not going to last long. Once Black Friday weekend is over, this will not be available. So what makes this kit different from other digital product templates? Well, this isn't just some recycled PLR junk. It's a premium strategic product built using the same frameworks used by top online entrepreneurs. And it's custom coded to help you launch fast and sell a medium ticket product. So all you have to do is get started in 4 simple steps. Number 1, grab your kit today while it's on Black Friday pricing. Number 2, plug in your details, your name, your brand, your links. And then number 3, launch it. Launch it in just a weekend. You can start selling a digital product that feels like it took $10,000 to build. So again, what do you get? Well, when you grab the Digital Biz Starter Kit, you get a fully done for you digital product, a high converting funnel page, which is already built for you, an email follow-up sequence so that you do not have to write not one single email. All you have to do is enter your name and your links and you're done. You're going to get the entire marketing system and the entire training system all self-contained so that when you resell it, it's easy for someone else to plug in too. Plus, you're going to get editable Canva templates and a complete walkthrough showing you exactly how to launch it. The total value of this is easily over $2,500. But for Black Friday, you're not paying anywhere close to that. So this is a limited time offer that disappears after the Black Friday weekend. And then after that, the price goes up and this bundle is gone forever. So if you've been waiting for the perfect chance to start a digital business, this is it. You have everything you need to get off the ground and running in as little as 1 weekend. So go ahead and click the button below to get instant access to the Digital Biz Starter Kit at its lowest price that you will ever see it. It's ready for you right now. It's fully customizable and it's your shortcut to launching a real profitable digital product you can sell over and over and over again. If you have any questions before you purchase, all you have to do is scroll down here and click on the contact button and you can send me a message right through the website. So this is your fast track to building your very own digital business online. Grab your kit and launch your business this weekend.